This is Venkat Kotta, IIT NEET Senior Faculty in Physics. Students, today we are going to discuss Newton laws of motion, connected bodies. One block is kept on the table, another one is hanging. So the string is passing over a pulley, smooth, frictionless pulley, ideal pulley. Strings and pulleys are ideal. String is ideal means massless, inextensible, remains taut. Ideal pulley is nothing but the pulley is massless pulley and frictionless pulley is ideal pulley. Okay, sir, here M1 is on the table, M2 is hanging. Then what is the acceleration of each block and the tension in the string? Here, sir, therefore here at this point, tension in the string is this side. We know the direction of tension. At this point, tension in the string this side, sir. Okay. We use free body diagram for M1 and M2. We get the acceleration and tension. So here for M1, free body diagram for M1. For M1, here M1G downward direction, normal reaction vertically upward on M1. The tension in the string is right side. So here there is no motion along this side. N is balanced with M1G. So a net force on M1 is T equal to M1A, equation 1. Right, sir? For M2, free body diagram for M2. Free body diagram for M2. So on M2, what force is acting? One is M2G, vertically downward. Tension in the string is vertically upward, but it is moving downward with acceleration A. So M1 and M2 moves with the same acceleration. So M1 moves this side, M2 moves downward. That's why both having the same acceleration magnitude wise, because it is connected with a inextensible string. Okay, sir, here what is our net force? Net force is nothing but M2G minus T equal to net force on M2. That's why M2A, this is equation 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, both adding, we get answer M2G minus T plus T is equal to M2A plus M1A. Here TT cancel, sir. TT cancel. Your answer is M2G is equal to M2 plus M1A. A is common. A. Therefore, here acceleration of each block is equal to M2G by M2 plus M1 is nothing but M1 plus M2. So here M2G is nothing but net weight, net force divided by here net mass. This is the acceleration of each block. So this block this side, this block this side, the same acceleration M2G by M1 plus M2. So here what is the tension in the string? Tension in the string T is equal to M1 into A. A is M2G by M1 plus M2. So here this is the tension in the string which is connected between M1 and M2. What about second one? Second one, here three blocks are there. One is M1, M2, M3. M3 is hanging. M1 and M2 connected with a string. Here this is the one string, this is another string. Here tension in the string is considered T1. Here tension in this string is T2. Then what is the acceleration of the blocks? Here simple method, we use the free body diagram, or here net force, here acceleration equal to net force by net mass, we get the acceleration. So without using free body diagram, we get acceleration of each block. Acceleration of each block is equal to net force by net mass. Easy? Here, sir, net force by net mass. Here net force is nothing but why these two blocks along with M3 moves, because weight of M3. M3G, due to M3G, these two and this moves. That's why your net force is M3G by, why is M3G? Here due to this one, M1G down, normal reaction up. Both cancel with each other. Here also cancel with each other. Only one force is there hanging. Due to this one, these three moves. That's why here it is a net force. So here T1, T2 are the internal forces. Tension in a string is the internal forces. That's why here net force, net external force is M3G by total mass is M1 plus M2 plus M3. So here this is the acceleration of each block. This block moves this side with acceleration A. Everyone having same acceleration in magnitude wise. And this string also same acceleration, this string also same acceleration, every point in M1, M2, M3 as well as string acceleration in magnitude wise is same. Right, sir? Here what is the T1? I want T1 here. T1. Draw a free body diagram for M1. We get that is T1. This side is what, sir? T1. So here at this point tension in the string, this is T2, sir. So at this point tension in the string is T1 this side. Okay, for M1. Free body diagram for M1. Tell me. Free body diagram for M1. M1G down, sir. Clear, sir? M1G down, sir. Normal reaction up. On M1. Right side is T1 is there. These two cancel with each other. There is no motion along this side. That's why tension in the string T1 equal to M1, yes, sir. Right? T1 equal to M1. A means here M3G divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So here this is the tension in the string which is connected M1 and M2. What about T2? Free body diagram for T3 we get answer. Free body diagram for T3. For M3, free body diagram. What forces acting on M3? M3G down and the tension T2 is up. But it is moved down by with acceleration A. We get answer, sir. The M3G minus T2 equal to M3A. Sir, T2 is equal to M3G minus M3A. Right? A value substitute. A value this much now. We get answer. So therefore here, what is the answer, sir? M3 is common, beta. M3 is common. M3 is common. G minus A is nothing but M3G divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Right, sir? Then we get answer. G also take common. G also common. So T2 is equal to M3G common. Remaining is take LCM. M1 plus M2 plus M3 minus M3. M3 cancel. That's why M1 plus M2 divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So here T2 is equal to that is M1 plus M2 into M3 G by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Sir, here this is the, suppose here this is the tension in the string. Suppose here we consider this the 3-block system can be converted into 2-block system, we get the answer very easy. So here M1, M2, we want tension here. M1 and M2 is considered 1 block. M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2. Here T2. Therefore T2 is equal to beta M1 plus M2 acceleration E. That is M1 plus M2. Acceleration A is nothing but M3G by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So here, this is the concept. Write it all of you. Next, here 1 kg block, 2 kg, 3 kg, I shown in figure. Tension in the string which is connected to wall. Here I want tension here. What is the tension at this point? Tension in the string which is connected to wall, which is connected to wall. So here it is a fixed. 1 kg doesn't move. This pulley also doesn't move. Pulley and the strings are ideal. It is a fixed pulley. Fixed pulley. We know that it moves down, it moves up with the common acceleration, with the same acceleration in magnitude wise. Then what is the acceleration? A is equal to 3g down, 2g also down but opposite of this one. 3g minus 2g by 5, which is equal to 1g. 1 is g is 10, 10 you take 10, 10 by 5, 2 meter per second square. So it is moving up, moving down. I want tension here. Tension, this string is take T1. Here also tension is T1. Already we use here T1. That's why here T1, T1. Free body diagram for 2 kg, sir. 2 kg. On 2 kg what force is acting? One is its weight. 2g down. Another one T1. But it is moving upward with acceleration here. Net force on 2 kg is T1 minus 2g equal to 2 into A means 2. That is T1 is equal to 20 plus 4, 24 Newton. Here 24, 24. Here what about 48 Newton. Here 48. This side is 48 Newton. So here this side 48. That's why tension in the string developed is 48 because here net force on 1 kg is 0. Therefore here tension in the string which is connected T equal to 48 Newton. Okay, sir. Then next one is here. Here 2 blocks are there. Mass is M1, another mass M2. But here this side force is M2G by 3 this side. Why the blocks moves? Because of M2G weight. M2G is opposed by this one. Because here M2G this side. M2G by 3 opposite. That's why here this is. So net force acting along this side only. Because here M2G is greater than M2G by 3. Therefore here acceleration of each block is equal to net force by net mass. Net force. Net force is M2G minus it is opposed by M2G by 3, sir. Divided by total mass M1 plus M2 only. M1 plus M2 only. Here don't take care of this mass. This means here force only. Force acting on this one. 5 Newton, 10 Newton, like 13 Newton. So that's why these two mass of the blocks. Here this is one block, another block. Here which is equal to beta? Here 3 M2G minus M1G, 2 M2G by 3 into M1 plus M2. This is the acceleration of each block, like as shown in figure.